All right, we're here to do a unboxing on the Gentleman John complete wet shave kit. If you're in the market to upgrade your razors from disposables to something a little more refined, we recommend grabbing the Gentle John complete wet shave kit. We're going to go ahead and go through the unboxing here. So of course it's themed and put together very well. You do have the actual razor itself that is, again, a heavier razor. You do have your foam lathering applicator here that comes with it, and of course it's themed. It does have your shave soap and even your alum block that you put on after you shave, if to reduce irritation. The thing that's really neat about this kit is it's very simple and straightforward to utilize. When it comes to setting up your actual safety razor, the handle itself twists off, and then the actual razor head comes into two pieces. You take one of your double-edged razor blades from the Gentle John box that's included, and again, the whole thing is themed, labeled. These things are very nice. It's a very nice kit. And carefully remove your double-sided razor. It says it's platinum-coated Swedish stainless steel. Again, you see the themes on both sides of this razor. So again, they do a very good job with setting this up. You just set in your razor, put it back together, then screw it in. And what's neat is as you tighten it up, it bends the blade. So now that you have your double-sided safety razor ready to go. One other thing we did want to point out is the fact that the kit does come with your shave soap and also your lather applicator in a bowl. So when you're putting your soap together and getting it lathered up, you have a bowl to utilize when you're shaving. So again, if you're looking to refine your shaving process, slow down and actually enjoy it, give this kit a good look. Pick yourself up one today.